found a bird down there, and then this morning I found it down there, and then I found it over there. Okay, my grandma told me to put it over here, so I'll be right back when I get it. Well, this helpless bird has a broken wing. Ooh! See? It just totally just lost. I'll get it back. Well, I got it back. It was really quick. Oh, I bonked his head. Okay. It has a broken wing, can't fly. And, well, I'm not going to say that. That's stupid. But please like and subscribe for more. And cross your fingers that this bird will be okay. She's going to be in here. Oh, no. No! On her back. Oh, I'll save her. Can't use your wings too much. Right round. There. Okay, so, well, I was wondering if she was down there, so, post in the comments. Please like and subscribe.